Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Wear gloves and park the 2020 Jeep Compass on flat ground with the ignition off and the wipers in the parked position. Work with the hood raised and the battery off for safety. You will need replacement blades, a rag to protect the windshield, a small flat tool to release clips if necessary, and a measuring tape to confirm blade lengths. Common blade lengths for this vehicle are 24 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger side, though you should verify by measuring the old blades. Lift the wiper arm gently away from the windshield until it locks roughly perpendicular to the glass, supporting the arm with one hand to prevent it from snapping back. Locate the small release tab on the underside of the blade where it meets the J-hook. Press that tab and slide the blade down toward the base of the arm until the hook clears the blade. If the blade feels stuck, rotate it 90 degrees and slide it out of the J-hook while keeping the arm supported to avoid contact with the glass. Align the replacement blade with the J-hook, insert the hook into the blade adapter, and pull until you hear a definite click that indicates the blade is locked in place. Always double-check by tugging gently. Lower the arm gently to the windshield, avoiding letting the arm snap down, then start the vehicle and test the wipers at low and high speed to confirm proper contact and no streaking. Wipe the windshield to remove fingerprints, top up washer fluid if needed, and dispose of old blades according to local recycling rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.